Hi, I'm Todd Brandon. This low-set brick home is huge with space. It's also got a large double bay shed and a massive outdoor pergola. Why don't you take a quick tour, and I look forward to seeing you later. Well, certainly has all of the fruit. Stone bench tops, big rooms, lots of air conditioning, this wonderful outdoor entertaining space, and a good shed. If our team can help you own this lovely home, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.